Hello and welcome to my channel Smart with Bo. Today video is about color matching. Okay, someone asked me in comments that how you color match. Okay, tell me about this, and I am really happy that you give me your feedback and I will do it for you. Okay, so let's do it. I will color match this in Lightroom. So let's go and add this to Lightroom. Go to my Instagram and I will give you feedback there. All links are in description. Look at this. Look at before and look at after. Before and after, it is pretty much matched. Now we have to click on these three. We have to save this. Okay, save to device. The links of the apps are in description. Okay, and make sure to go to my Instagram. Okay, I will also edit your pictures. If you like this video and share this video and comment below, tell me what you want next. Okay, it is successfully exported. Now click OK.